Waalaxy is becoming the second HeyReach. That's why in today's video I'll give you a full guide on Waalaxy, how you can use it to conduct LinkedIn outreach, send messages, connection requests, follow-up messages, book meetings, sign clients, and make some money. So without further ado, let's begin the tutorial. First, when you sign up to Waalaxy, you'll be asked to connect your LinkedIn account. And once you do, you'll also install the Chrome extension. Then you'll probably see this. So you simply click let's go, and then you share some information about your ideal customer's profile, right? Your ideal prospect. So you add what's their job, let's say marketing, or marketing director, industry, marketing, advertising, United States, right? We want to find people with the most buying power. Find prospects. Let's see what it generates. As you can see, it found a lot of prospects, right? We are still on the free plan, so it's just kind of an example, but it found our ICP. Let's click next, and then we can define our goal. So what is the goal? Is the goal to just send connection requests, build relationships, and expand your network? Or is it to find their email so you could do email outreach? For this, let's just go with contact and prospects. Click next, and here we'll add our value proposition. Basically, share information about services, what we offer, our product, the unique selling points, what's in it for them, right? For the prospect, what will they gain from these services? What pain point does it solve? What desires will the product help your prospects achieve? So value proposition. Let's say we're sharing, I offer content creation on demand, creating content based on your company's information whenever you need it. So basically, your unique selling point, right? Why are you better than your competition? What's your advantage? Essentially, why you're better, right? Some self-love, you have to value yourself, maybe some narcissism, but share why you're better. More affordable, faster, no commitment, right? Better results. Call to action. The call to action is basically a step where you tell your prospect to do something. So whether you tell them to book a meeting link, send their own, or something. Usually I love to do soft CTAs instead of hard ones. Hard CTAs are like, hey, book a Calendly link, which requires a lot of work for a prospect. And soft CTA is just like, reply if you're interested, or is this valuable to you, right? You're just trying to start a conversation. So I would like my prospect to reply if interested. That's it. We'll see what it comes up with. Click generate. And now custom message is being generated, right? So we have the message generated. Hi, first name. This pull the name of your prospect. So it could be hi Sam, hi Simonas, right? Struggling to create engaging content on demand. My content creation service delivers high quality, concise content tailored to your company's needs, ensuring optimal engagement and impact. More cost effective, quicker, and with superior outcomes. Nice. Compared to what? But yeah, I propose we explore how this can benefit your company. Let me know if you're interested. The message is okay. There's room for improvement. So let's see what it does if we regenerate. Struggling to keep up with ever-changing content demands of your company. I specialize on content creation. Propose we schedule a call. No, let's regenerate once more, and then we can just edit. Struggling to create engaging short-form content. My content creation SaaS delivers high-quality, concise content tailored to your company's personalized content, tailored to your company's information, ensuring optimal engagement and impact. More cost-effective, quicker, superior outcomes compared to freelancers, UGC creators. Would this? Let me know if you'd more info. Reply yes if you want to learn more. See a 2-minute video demo. Let's go with that. If you're finding this video useful, I would kindly ask you to subscribe. It helps the YouTube know what kind of content you enjoy, and it will serve you more valuable content like this. Thank you, and let's carry on with the video. So you can edit the message, right? It generates for you, but you can edit it if you need it, if needed, and then you just go further with campaign that's created, right? So how the campaign will work is that it sends connection request, and once the connection request is accepted, it will send the message. It will use those 100 people leads that we found previously and automate everything for us. Now we're not going to launch it now, launch later. And once you go through that, you'll see all of your metrics, right? This is the Waalaxy dashboard. Once you launch your campaigns, you'll see everything here. If you go to the prospects tab, you'll see the prospects that you scraped, we scraped previously. You can import more. You can just go to, for example, LinkedIn, right? You go to the people search, you search for example, CMO, then you go to people because we want to find people. You see all the people you could scrape. Let's say locations, United States, show results. And this way you can just see all the people. And if you have the Chrome extension, this is why you need Chrome extension, you can just create a new list, right, and import 1,000 leads straight into Waalaxy, right? You don't need to scrape anything yourself manually, blah, blah, blah. This, you generate leads and import them right away. And once you do that, you'll see all of your leads here in different leads lists, right? As you can see here, Waalaxy free to test list. Here's the one we scraped at the start. Now, if you go to campaigns tab, you'll be able to create a campaign. So click start a campaign and you'll be able to see pre-built campaigns. But let's go to all campaign models and we'll see pre-built campaigns, right? So as you can see, there's a ton of them. You can filter them down. For example, how many messages to send, whether you want email or not. Let's say 0 emails. We don't want to send any. And then we'll only pick from LinkedIn template. So as you can see, you have visit, follow, invitation, message. So it will visit the profile, it will tell them, the prospect will get a notification that someone has viewed your profile, then it will follow, then it invite for a connection request, and if it's accepted, it will message them. You probably can also do, right, so there's a bunch of, so you don't need to build anything yourself. So for example, as you can see, there's a lot of people using this one, 18,000 people, this one, insane, 250,000 people using this one. Let's pick a more complex one, 2 messages in LinkedIn, so 1 initial message, 1 follow-up, and we'll just set it up. So we do this, leads we scraped previously, yes, add all prospects, yes, the first step is visiting, then wait 1 day, right, we added a delay, then we follow the prospect, another wait 2 days after the following, or let's wait 1 day, and then we'll be able to send an invitation. Click next, 1 more day, and then we'll be able to write our message. Here we have some suggestions on how to write the message. So it suggests we use the custom variable like first name. We keep it between 100 and 500 characters. So so the message is not super lengthy. And we have WAMI, right? WAMI will help us generate the message. So we add who we are targeting. So CMOs, I offer content, short form content creation services on demand. Differentiation factor, much more affordable than user-generated content creators, freelancers, also tailored to your company. Call to action, let me know if this would be of interest to you. We click generate, and here's the message it generated, right? You click confirm, then you craft wait 1 more day, you can craft the follow-up, or you can wait multiple days, right? And variable, we can do something cheeky. I guess you don't want to grow company name, right? So we'll have like, I guess you don't want to grow the company name, right? Because you don't want these services. But yeah, you add a follow-up, click confirm. We added this is the text the program will use if it cannot find a company name. This is like to make sure if it fails, the prospect doesn't see this ugly text like brackets, curly brackets, company, and they will see, I guess you don't want to grow your company. Confirm, and that's it. We have that campaign set up. We use the templates, meaning we don't have to build anything from scratch. Waalaxy helps us to build it, and we just launch it, and that's it. It will go ahead and visit the profile of our prospects that we uploaded. It will follow them, send a connection request. If accepted, it will send a pitch, and then it will follow up with them. And that's it, doing everything on autopilot. Now, I don't want to launch a campaign, but again, you have as many campaigns as you would ever need, right? You can see who uses what campaigns. As you can see, the most popular ones are these ones, so perhaps they work the best. And yeah, simple as that. And also, because you can connect multiple LinkedIn accounts, you also have a thing called inbox. This is where you see all of your conversations. Instead of going and logging into different LinkedIn pages one by one, you see all of the conversations happening at one place, making it much easier for you to manage, use templates to answer common objections, apply to common questions, yada yada. So now if you want me to compare this head to head with HeyReach to see which one is better, which one is more affordable, which one has better features, then let me know down below. Otherwise, I suggest you take a look at the video here where I share 6 or 11 AI agents and I compare them head to head to see which one can grow your business the most. It was me, Sam, and peace.